Hello, Chef here. A quick video I thought I would share with you. I'm about to enjoy this Fuji apple. Oh, I like the Fuji. Very nice. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a garnish I thought I'd share with you here and kind of stripe it like this. Okay? We're just gonna go around the apple with a couple of stripes. It does a few things. It looks really cool. And also it makes it easier to eat, easier to enjoy. But for me, mostly it's aesthetics. It's just really cool looking when you do this to an apple. Okay, so before I even cut it, I'm going to give it a little bit more of a garnish. And just like this right here. Okay, I'm going to save these little pieces. Okay, just like that. Very, very easy. Got a couple little points now. You can see what I got going on there. Pretty cool. Now, normally an apple gets quartered. This particular garnish I'm going to do, I'll show you a little trick. So first thing you want to do, four even pieces. Okay, remove the core very carefully. Always be careful when you're cutting towards yourself. And if you need extra protection, well, that's available too. Just put on one of these awesome metal gloves, and now you can't cut yourself. So total protection. I'm more comfortable not using the glove. Okay, all of my core's been removed now, and I'm going to give this apple some slices. So for that, I like to keep my fingers rolled back, and I just want to do nice, consistent slices like this. And after you get a little bit of practice, you can go faster with this. Just be careful. These knives are very sharp. Nice, consistent slices, okay? Okay. You can see my apple's looking good. Now I'm going to arrange it on a platter. Okay, I'm already tasting this apple. Wow, it's really good. I've got some of these little pieces here, a little bit of a garnish. I'll put this out possibly around the holidays, something like this, just to share with everyone. All right. The last thing I'm going to do for this apple appetizer is put on this metal glove and use a grater. Got some whole nutmeg. Put a little bit of nutmeg on my apple. Oh yeah. And I've got cinnamon sticks. Oh yeah, fresh cinnamon is amazing with an apple. You got to try this. Also, cinnamon has a lot of antioxidants, very, very healthy for you. So cinnamon is good for your diet. You should be consuming some cinnamon regularly. Smells really, really good. Okay, with that I'm going to let you go. The products I used in today's video are available at your sponsor. Wow, that apple is going to be good. Fuji. I like it. Watch the end of the video and there will be more information about the Kyocera knife used, as well as the ceramic peeler. Really, really nice. I like them. Subscribe right here. Check out the chef's videos. More coming. Have a great day. The sponsor's got all the colors in stock. Really, really nice. Love the wide blade. Love the fact the knife is non-reactive. And really nice to use, doesn't pick up or transfer flavors to food. Stays sharp for years and years and years. Ultra lightweight, ergonomical shaped handle. Very, very comfortable, lefty or righty. And wow, the blade's made in Japan. I really like it. This is the highest level of ceramic knives that we've ever seen. Really, really nice. Check them out. Get cooking. Have a great day.